Good morning, everyone. My name is Boca Ben, and welcome to a very different episode because this week I am not doing anything in Florida. I am headed to Washington, D.C. for a conference and check out the city, and I'm going to document all the great stuff. It's about 5 in the morning, I think. Pretty exhausted, but this is going to kick off a really great trip. And you know what? I'm going to say it. I'm excited to leave Florida. Excited to see a different part of the country, so stay tuned for an awesome few days. Definitely have to say that traveling is pretty crazy now. You don't need to wear a mask in the airport or the airplane. I feel like I'm traveling in 2019. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. Just landed in Baltimore. I still can't believe you don't need to wear a mask at the airport or airplane. Pretty freaking cool. Man, I have so much gray in my beard. Maybe I'm gonna get rid of the beard, we'll see. But it's great to be in DC and just heading down to the conference, and we'll check out the sites. All right, just finished day one of my conference, Esports Insider, and I'm now heading to my hotel. Was gonna take a Uber, but decided to walk, even though I have my suitcase. It's just a beautiful day here, so might as well take advantage. All right, here's my tour of DC. Here's some building with US flags that was around for a very long time. Fascinating building. Look at that, it's old and it's nice. Just kidding. I really do appreciate the city and what's going on. A lot of nice stuff. I'm actually on Pennsylvania Avenue, which, come on, everyone knows that street. All right, just got to my hotel. Now, I was going to stay in one of the fancy hotels. Oh, here's my bed. Here's like the living room. Here is the couch. And it's like a little apartment, you know, right here. I got a beautiful view of the highway. You know, get to see the highway and all the cars. And yeah, I was gonna splash for some fancy fancy hotel. You know, this really has everything I need. So this is a pretty awesome place. I ended up walking all the way to my hotel, but on the way back, because I'm going out for drinks and for dinner, I'm going to take hopefully one of those scooters because they look freaking cool. And in general, this conference is great. I love Florida, don't get me wrong, but it's so great to get out. And, you know, in my industry, especially, like, I really got going in 2019. So there's just so many people that I've spent so much time talking to, working with, and I've never met them in person. And finally, I'm meeting all these people from the like hundreds of conferences that I've been at or spoke at. And this is just amazing to see so many people here. So like, that's what's so exciting about ESI, Esports Insider DC. And I got a full day tomorrow. So freaking great. Pretty awesome way to get around is on a scooter. I'm riding a Lime right now. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. There's the Capital One Center where the Capitals play and where they got knocked out in 6 games by the Florida Panthers. And it'll be empty for the rest of the season. All right, just had a great night at the bar. So much fun. Wish I shot some footage. And now I'm back on my Lime scooter. Love the freaking Lime scooters. There's nothing better than finishing a night at the bar, getting on your scooter and just hoping that you make it home. Anyway, just got home and guess what's outside? Wow. Look at that. All these fires, this and that. This was a major accident. Literally in my living room. Not literally, but like the lights are coming into my living room. All from this here. I gotta close the blinds. Okay, I'm sorry, but like I am scootering home and this is the view. The Capitol building. I can't find it. There it is. There. Oh God, I can't see it. But trust me, the Capitol building, I'm staring at it at night. It is so beautiful. I don't know what to say. I wish I could fucking see it. Is that it? Oh man, there it is. There it is. Yeah, that was it. But yeah. Unbelievable. Now you can see the Capitol building. So this is me riding my scooter at night, and this is the view. Look at these beautiful places. Whoops. Look at these beautiful, beautiful buildings. And that's just about a wrap. A great trip in DC, awesome place. Obviously, you guys know I love the scooters. I'm just finishing up here. I was at a food hall that is going to be potentially an esports place. You know how I feel. So it's awesome, and maybe we'll check back. I don't know if there's gonna be anything else because my flight is in 2 hours, but we'll see if the fun will continue for Boca Ben. I am hot, sweaty, gross, just finished a workout and now heading on business trip number 2. This time off to very cool Daytona Beach, Florida. I've never been there before, but it's the Esports Travel Summit. So this is second esports trip, and I will try to document as much as possible, but should be a great trip. All right, we are halfway. I'm just at Fort St. Lucie, somewhere area. Got to get 2 crucial things. One, a more comfy shirt. Obviously, gotta have some life water. I don't know if that does anything. And of course, double D. Gotta have some double D for the road, and should be there in about 2 hours. Excited. Finally arrived in Daytona Beach. Beautiful place. It's like kind of old but quaint, a little touristy, but also it's got a lot of unique character. So gonna do a little bit of a tour of the city later. There's actually an event at Daytona Raceway, but so far so good. It's a really cool place, you know. Some really nice hotels by the beach, and I'm just about to go into the Hilton right now. But overall, I'm a fan. All right, I want to share 2 quick observations about Daytona. Firstly, it's beautiful here, gorgeous beaches, nice hotels, boardwalk, everything. The second thing is I saw scooters, and now I'm on a mission. I gotta find out where the scooters are because I am obsessed. So hopefully 2 for 2 business trips where I can get some scooter action going. But honestly, this place, look around. I mean, it's freaking gorgeous here. What could be wrong with Daytona Beach? Somehow I am inside Daytona 500 Speedway. It is really cool to go to a convention that is whoa. And no joke, the bus actually did a loop around the track, which was so cool. I'm gonna give you some cool shots of inside Daytona 500 at the Speedway. Here you can see the grandstands. Wow, 100,000 people, over 100,000 people can fit here. It goes all the way down. And we were actually at a cool reception in Daytona, so pretty freaking cool. So I have this really bad habit that when I go on a business trip, I don't work out. I don't use the gym if there is, I don't go for a run. But like, when else do I have the opportunity to run on a boardwalk by the ocean? Never. Like, it's really hard to find. So I'm gonna go for like a 3-mile 5K run before I hit the road, just to really trying to do more this month, really on that health challenge to be better. And like, again, really happy with the view here. So see you soon. All right, it's the next day. One last business trip this month, and that's it. Then I'm not traveling to at least like for 2 months. Off to Toronto, kind of like going there. Well, especially in the summer, I definitely don't mind. But I have a really important business event with a really good client, and I'm really excited to meet them. So I'm gonna go. It's actually a really short trip. I mean, like 16 hours in and out, so really short. But I gotta get back because I'm on the boat on Friday, and you know, gotta get back to the boat. So should be good. I am excited to return and go to Waves Gaming. See ya. What's up, everyone? I am actually back at Waves Gaming for the first time in, God, it's been almost a year, which is crazy, but I want to give you guys a tour because this place is so cool, and even cooler since I've last been here. All right, so we're going in. We got a big event tonight. So this is where you check in, our guru, Good Energy, our menu. We got great hot dogs, quesadillas. Everyone's cooking things up. We're gonna come over here. So this is the big event. We're doing the Algoma launch party. So we got a lot of awesome stuff set up here at the table. Over here we have pool tables, bubble hockey, one of my favorite things, tons of cabinet games, and then holy camole, rows and rows of PCs. That's what it's all about. Over here is the big casting booth. So we have casters, you know, play-by-play, just like in sports. We added some new machines here, thanks to Vince. We got some new sound, Voltex, DJ. This is the big screen for our event tonight. Gonna go right over here really quickly. That's Vince.
What's up?
This is our production room over here, where we do all the production, all the live events. And then last but not least, our racing zone. We got the F1 racers, sim racing here, and going on. So that's what's happening here at Waves Gaming tonight. It's gonna be a great party. Came all the way in from Florida for this because it's gonna be amazing as we announce Algoma University's Business of Esports program. And I'll have a lot more pictures to come. So it's 4:30 in the morning. I'm at Pearson, and the line is so big. This is just the holding area, which used to be the Air Canada Lounge, until you can even attend the monster line that is coming up ahead of me. And it's 4:30 in the morning at Pearson. This airport is a complete disaster.